Hi guys, welcome to CARONIC.com. In this video I'll show you before and after installation for Honda Civic 2016 to 2018 model. This is here is the before installation for original car dashboard. This is the smaller CD, and here is after installation for Android multimedia system, full touch 10-inch, operation system 7.1. This is when the door any doors open, there one small car logo is coming in the middle LCD, and you can see the which doors open: right, left, rear, right, rear, left, trunk. Also, when for the AC, when turn on, the temperature decrease, increase, you can see in the mirror. You can control everything, and this is with Android multimedia system, 10-inch full touch, 7.1 with 16 GB internal memory, 1 GB RAM, built-in Wi-Fi, mic, Bluetooth. You can play music through Bluetooth. You can do mirror link, support also for the iOS and the Android system as well. Also, this is online and offline GPS was working as well. This is offline GPS. And then for the rear camera support, once you go to the rear, direct will show the rear side, and the small logo on the left side you can see one car. That also you can add 4 camera for the sides and front and rear. Means the 4 camera, once in the 4 camera you install, you can see the surround the car, the left side, right side, front and the rear. But if you have 1 camera, just support one. If you need 4 camera, you can put support 4 camera. And this is a video, you can see it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more information and video.